students, today we will solve exercise 1.3. The first question is, write down the following in decimal form, which type of decimal expansion each has. Okay, in our previous video, we have already seen the decimal types. Okay, there was three type of decimal. First was the terminating, second was the non-terminating and recurring, and third one was the non-terminating and non-recurring. Okay, in our rational number we know this, the first two type, terminating and non-terminating recurring decimals, come in rational number form. Okay, and third type is irrational number. So you are seeing the pattern of this question. These all are in the form of p by q, which means it is in the form of fraction. So all these numbers are rational numbers. So either the expansion will be terminating or non-terminating recurring. So let's see the question. First we have to divide 36 by 100. We put the point here because 36 is less than 100, and add 1 0, 3 are 300, we will get 60. Again 60 is less than 100, we will add one more 0 here. So 6 times it will, we are not getting any remainder here. So this will be the answer 0.36, the decimal expansion of this number. And you are saying we can count this digit 1, 2. So it is finite time. So this is the terminating decimal. Okay. Now next question. Suppose 11 by 1 by 11. 1 is less than 11. So we will put point here, add 1 0. 10 is again less than 11. We will put 0 here and add one more 0 here. 11 9s are 99. What we will get? 1. Again the same process, we will put 0 here and add 1 0. Again it is less than 11, so we will put one more 0 and add 0. So 11 9s are again 99, and we will get 1. So you are saying that the 1 is in a repeating form, and again the in quotient we are getting 0909 in a repeating manner. So which means it is non-terminating and recurring, because it is following a pattern. You are seeing the 09 is in a repeating form in finite times. So what we will say, non-terminating and recurring type of decimal. The rest question you should solve it yourself. If you will get any problem, you just add that problem on comment section, then I will provide you the solution. Okay, now next question. Question is, you know that 1 by 7 is 0.14287 up to infinite. Can you find decimal expansion of 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7 without long division method? Okay, it's very simple. Can we write it like this? 2 cross 1 by 7, 3 cross 1 by 7, same as 1, 6 cross 1 by 7, we can write. Okay, so 2 cross 1 by 7 value has already given in the question. We just put this value 0.14287 up to infinite, and we simply multiply this 2 with this numbers. So what we will get? 0.285714. Same with these numbers, we simply multiply with 0.142857. Suppose 3 cross 0.142857, and what we will get? 0.427571. Rest you will solve same with this process and you will get the answer in form of P by Q. Okay, now we have a decimal expansion and we should convert in the form of P by Q. So we have 0.6 bar, which means 6 is in repeating form like this up to infinite times. Okay, so what we will do here, we simply multiply, we simply let it x, just let it x equal to 0.666. Now just multiply 10, multiply by 10 in both sides. So what we will get, this is 10x and this will be, the 6 will multiply with the 10, so this 6 will come before the point, so this will be 6.666. Okay, now we are marking this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Just subtract the equation 1 by equation 2. So what we will get, we will subtract 10x minus x equal to 6.666 minus 0.6666. What we will get, 10x minus x is 9x and this will be 6 because this all 6 will be cancelled out by subtracting with this 666 after infinite times. So what we have found here, 6. So what will be the value of x? 6 by 9, cross multiply. Then we can reduce it in a small form by dividing 3. 3 throughs are 6, 3 threes are 9. So decimal expansion is 2 by 3. Okay. Now next question is 0.477. 7 is in a repeating form because 7 having bar. So let's assume this is x 0.47 bar. We just multiply by 10 to make it 4 in before decimal. 4.7 bar. Okay. Now we just multiply by 10 again to put this 7 before this point in the same equation. In this equation, suppose this is equation number 1. So we multiply 10 in both sides in equation 1. So what we will get? 10 into 10, 100x and 4, 7. This will be 4, 7. The 7 will come before the point after multiplying by 10. 0.7 bar. Now this will be equation number 2. Now we subtract the equation number 1 from equation number 2. So simply we are subtracting 10x. This is the 4.7 bar. This bar will be cancelled out because it is infinite time. So all infinite 7 will be get subtracted by this infinite 7. So this will be 0. So what we will get, 7 bar minus 4, this is 3, and 100x minus 10x, 90x. So x will be 43 by 90. This will be the answer. Okay, for this question. Okay, now next question. Point 001. It is in a repeating form. Just assume x equal to 0.001001 up to infinite times. Now you're seeing there after point there are 3 digits which has a pattern. After this 3 digit it is again going to repeat. So what we will multiply? We will multiply by 1000 to make all this digit before the point. So multiply by 1000 both sides. What we will get? 1000x equal to 1.001001 up to infinite times. Okay, this will be equation number 1 and this will be equation number 2. Now just subtract the equation 1 from equation 2. Minus x equal to minus 0.001001 to infinite times. What we will get? All this 1 will be subtracted by 1, 0 will subtract by 0. So what we will get? 0. So after point all digit will become 0. This will be 1 and 1000 x minus x is 999x. So the value of x is 1 upon 999. This will be. Question is express 0.999 infinite times in the form of P by Q. Are you surprised by the answer? Why answer makes sense? Let's see we will surprised by the answer or not. So the same process, we will assume this x equal to 0.999. The 9 is in a repeating form, only one digit in a repeating form. So what we will do? We will multiply by 10 both sides. 10x equal to 9.999. It will become 9.999. This will be equation 1. This will be equation 2. We subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Simply 0.9999. This all 9 will be subtract by 9 and it will become 0. What we will get? 9 and this will be 9x. So the value of x is 9 by 9, which means 1. So this is somehow surprising answer. But if you will see the pattern, this 9 is in a repeating form and infinite times. Okay. So after this we will sudden get 1. So we consider it there is no gap between 0.99999 infinite times and 1. Okay. So this will be answer. Okay class, next other questions.